Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook account. A Facebook account allows you to connect with friends and family, share photos and videos, join communities, and stay updated with the latest news and events. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar, type facebook.com and press enter. On the Facebook homepage, click Create New Account. A sign-up window will appear. Enter your first name and last name. Next, enter your mobile number or email address. Create a strong password for your account. Then, select your date of birth and choose your gender. After filling in all the required information, click the Sign Up button. Facebook will ask you to verify your email address or phone number. If you signed up with an email address, open your inbox, find the verification email from Facebook, and enter the confirmation code. If you signed up with a phone number, enter the verification code sent by text message. Once your account is verified, you can add a profile picture, complete your profile information, and start finding friends. You can also customize your privacy settings to control who can see your profile and posts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Facebook account. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips, social media tutorials, and helpful guides. See you in the next one.